This is Paranormal Short Session 10 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Saturday, 26 February 2021. I'm about 6 inches away from the digital alarm clock, and I'm going to be turning on the Obelisk 5B. My question before I turn on the Obelisk 5B is what is your name? And please, only the person who gives me their name will be the only one talking. That way we don't get several ghosts and spirits talking and we can't figure out what they're saying. The words won't mean anything if too many people are shouting words out. So whoever gives me their name first is the one who has the floor and will be able to talk to me by using the Obelisk 5B, which is right here, the object I'm pointing to. This piece of equipment, a ghost and spirit can use their electromagnetic energy to choose words, and it will not hurt the ghost or spirit at all. Also, I'm using this footage for social media. If you're a ghost or spirit who's shy and you do not want to be on social media, then please don't choose a word. Thank you.
Prayer. Stir.
What is your name? My name is Keith Evans. Beth, how are you doing, Beth? Beth, what would you like to talk about tonight? Do you have a question for me? I'm going to pick up the Obelisk 5B so I have more control over it. Beth, what would you like to talk about? PM? It's actually AM.
Snow.
Yeah, it is snowing in
Decided.
some parts of the United States.
Jen. Nerd.
Jen, are you here?
Just.
Hi, Jen.
Walter.
Walter.
Brave.
Okay, I'm going to back away. I'm back about 4 foot now. Hi, Walter. Walter, were your words sweet, brave, devil? I don't know about brave devil. There used to be a New Jersey team called the Red Devils in ice hockey. Alright, see now, being 4 foot away, the words stop. So it seems like the rapid fire words seems to have proximity of being close to the digital alarm clock. Okay, I'm gonna try once more. Walter, if you still have energy, you have the floor. And if Walter does not have any energy,
Stay.
healer, stay.
Sacrifice.
No sacrifice. Hippity hop. Well, I guess you could say that since I have a little bit of a limp.
Once, Robert. Used.
Hey, Robert. My name is Keith Evans.
Use. Cake.
Sad. Cake.
Ledge.
I don't have any cake. Ledge. I guess you could say some buildings have a ledge if they have a walkway. Is that what you call a ledge? I'm about 6 inches away and the words have stopped. Alright, whoever,
Loud.
give me your name, please. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name?
Remote.
Whoever gives 40. Me their name will have the floor. Until I get a name, I'm going to back away. Nobody's scratched.
Bar. Wind.
I'm gonna back away. I'm gonna back away. Alright, now I'm about 4 foot away and the words have stopped. Barwin Creek. Are you a Creek Native American? Apparently the Creek Native Americans lived around Apalachicola, which isn't too far from here. Alright, as I approach the digital alarm clock, I need someone to please give me their name, and then they have the floor, and then everyone else stop talking. There should be only one person talking, and that is the person that gives me their name. Alright, I'm going to approach the digital alarm clock. Whoever, first person to give me their name can talk.
Molecules.
Molecules, that's not your name. Well, you might now just be
Jupiter.
electromagnetic energy.
Clear.
Jupiter, clear.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Doubt.
I get triangle a lot.
Vinegar.
Alright, I'm going to back away, and if I don't get a name, I'm going to back away. Give me
Hour.
a name. Hour. That's a name of time. A unit of time. An hour. 60 minutes
Sure.
equals an hour. Yeah, you're sure about that. I am too. Can I have your name? My name is Keith Evans. The first ghost or spirit to give me their name will have the floor, and they will be able to talk, and everyone else will just be quiet. I'm about 6 inches away from the. I'm about 6 inches away from the digital alarm clock. I get discernment a lot. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name?
Plan.
The only plan I have is to complete a paranormal session and to communicate with the ghosts and spirits that are living here
Logical.
near or within
Wish.
my digital alarm clock. Logical
Again.
wish.
Gasp. Paula.
Paula. Hi, Paula. Nice to talk to you again.
Mend.
I think I
Table.
talked to you last night. Paula, mend table. I don't know of any broken table. Why do you need to mend a table?
Shove. Greg. Breaker.
Hey, Greg. My name is Keith Evans.
Ball. Camera. Axe.
No, nobody's gonna fall. I do have a camera. I get the word axe a lot. I don't know if that means you don't like the camera and want to use an axe against it, so.
Got. Sun.
Got some.
Wow.
Wow.
Constant.
Constant.
Carry.
Carry. I don't really follow what you're saying. Alright, the next person that gives me their name has the floor. You have to give me your name first. I'm about 6 inches away from the digital alarm clock, and the words have stopped for a second. Yeah, they're saying, wow, the words are constant. And the words at times just carry on.
Factories. Supply.
Factory supply.
Mike.
Hey, Mike. Mike, I think I talked to you last night. How are you doing? Did you say factory supply? Do you consider the digital alarm clock to be like a factory supplying ghosts and spirits to me?
Two.
You say lead to. Okay. So lead to the digital alarm clock.
Daddy. Begin. Am not.
Daddy, begin and
Famous.
not. Yeah, begin. Are you saying I'm not
By
famous?
80.
By 80. I don't know what by 80. Oh, you're saying I will be famous by the age of 80. Well, I got a ways to go then, don't I? But that's pretty cool.
God.
Hey, God,
Moss.
how are you doing?
Wings. Cook.
All
None.
things. All right, I'm going to back off unless you give me a name.
1.
Even if you're God, you got to give me your name. Well, I guess God might be your name, huh? Ooh, Cook. None one. If you do not cook, none one. I don't know. It just seems to like be random words at times, and
Slur. Animal.
well, I
Jack.
didn't slur you. I'm just saying that the words aren't really making any
Snap.
sense. Hey, Jack.
Once.
My name is Keith.
Erase.
Snap once
Thurifer.
erase.
Stand.
I don't know what that word means.
Island.
Thurifer. Stay in Island, Providence. Well, you say that the island stands as Providence.
Off. Ring.
I get off ring a lot. I'm not sure what they're talking about. I don't wear rings on any of my fingers. Well, maybe that's what you're saying. I don't have rings. I'm off rings. What is just plural? Off ring. I don't think it's raining out. Hell, eerie. Now you're getting into horror movie stuff, so I don't think we need that.
July.
I get the month July a lot.
Head. 9. Messenger.
Head 9 messenger. Isn't 9 supposed to be some type of 999, the mark of the devil or something? But anyway, head 9 messenger. I don't know what that means. I really don't. Alright, I need you to give me your name. The next ghost or spirit to give me their name will have the floor. Is Emmeline here
Day.
tonight?
Farmers.
Day? Is your last
Material.
name Day? Farmers. You farm during the day. That makes sense.
Contrition.
Materials, contrition. That's kind of like a religious term, contrition.
Leather. Heavy.
Leather, heavy.
River. West.
West.
Drop. Raid.
Okay,
Swim.
I'm gonna back off until you give me your name. 'Cause now we're just getting random words. Alright, about 4 foot away. Drop, raid, swim. You know, you swim in the Gulf of Mexico. Talking about a raid. Maybe they're talking about what's going on in Croatia. I think the Russians dropping in troops, like airborne troops, in on the country of Croatia, which they're invading. That's the only thing I could think of in the news concerning drop and raid. Alright. My name is Keith Evans, and any ghost or spirit that is living there at my digital alarm clock, I just ask you to give me your name, and then you will have the floor and you'll be the only one talking until your energy has ran out, and then someone else will be taking your place. All right, I'm going to go ahead and approach the digital alarm clock to about a 6-inch mark, which I'm at about right now. Can I have your name, please? My name is Keith Evans. First ghost or spirit to give me their name will have the floor.
Caress. Luck.
I would be lucky if you caressed me. Hopefully you're a beautiful woman. What is your name? My name is Keith Evans.
Soil. Them. Calcium. Inner. Blog.
Can I have your name, please? I'm going to back off unless I get your name.
Where. Mini.
All right, I'm back off to 4 feet. I'm not sure what where T, where mini. Maybe we'd be talking about wearing a mini bikini or something, since we're near the beach. Alright, I really need you to give me your name. If you want to have the floor, I need you to give me your name. My name is Keith Evans, and I'm going to go ahead and approach the digital alarm clock, or I believe that many ghosts are inhabiting my digital alarm clock. I guess so they could be near me and have an opportunity to communicate whenever I do paranormal research in the area. What is your name, please?
Wound.
Well, that's not a name, that's a condition that you might feel your body is in, but you may have just recently passed away, so...
Aggression. Government.
I know
M.
it might make you upset to hear that.
Temperature.
Government M, holy temperature. What does M stand for? Holy temperature. I think the room temperature is pretty good. It's cool enough where I don't need the air conditioner. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name, please?
L. Console.
Another letter
Children.
L. Console
5.
children. 5.
Students.
So you have to console the children. Console 5 students who were children. What happened to the children? Did you have to console them? Could you tell me, please, what happened to them?
Choke. Truth.
Truth.
Cake.
Cake. I get cake a lot.
Aqua. Noise.
Aqua. Noise.
Remote. Rodger.
Hey,
Closet.
Rodger. My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you. Rodger Closet. Well, Rodger, you can come out and... Do you consider the digital alarm clock to be a closet?
Angle. Often.
Tip, angle,
Truck.
often, truck. I'm not sure what that means. Well, we're getting close to 20 minutes. This has been the Paranormal Short Session 10
Chest.
by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. And today is Saturday, 24th
Knife.
of February 2022. Chest and knife. So someone might have got a knife to a chest near a truck. Anyway,
Sad.
I'm gonna wish everyone
Science.
a good night.
Nor.
I'm backing away. I got the about 4 foot away. Nor. All right, everyone, have a good night.